Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of device management. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add devices, using a grinding and milling unit as an example. Before you can start to use a new device, a connection between the computer of your AC and the grinding and milling unit must be established. There are three ways of doing this: either with a LAN cable, a WLAN connection, or via a radio module. When connecting with a LAN or network cable, make sure that the devices are physically connected before initiating the search for a new device in the CEREC software. When setting up a WLAN connection, the access point or base station must first be plugged into the LAN port of the grinding and milling unit. For the third option, you will need to use a radio module. A radio module is supplied with each CEREC PrimeScan AC. The corresponding radio module for the grinding and milling unit is not supplied and must be ordered separately. We are on the CEREC Software Start page. From here, we open the System menu. Next, we click Configuration, then the Devices option. Since we haven't installed any other devices besides the PrimeScan yet, we select the option Scan for New Devices at the bottom of the screen. Now the CEREC software will display the devices that were found. We confirm with Yes here, and the connected grinding and milling unit is displayed among the installed devices. Another click on the new icon, CEREC MCXLPP, opens the configuration window where, among other things, the serial number of the device is displayed, the IP settings can be retrieved or edited, and advanced settings such as the extraction unit or the barcode reader can be enabled or disabled. All steps are located at the bottom of the screen. The blue marking indicates that we are currently in the step Edit Device Settings. By clicking the Calibrate step, you can recalibrate your grinding and milling unit using the supplied calibration tools. The device is already calibrated when it leaves the factory, but can be recalibrated later if needed. By clicking the Change Instruments step, you can change your grinding and milling instruments based on the selected material. The Service step allows you to start the cleaning process and enable or disable the water pump or extraction device. To the right, you can delete the currently selected device from the device management. In the unlikely event that the CEREC software does not recognize the device, you can connect the grinding and milling unit manually. To do this, enter the IP number of the corresponding device, then confirm with OK. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with CEREC.